it's me, Della, with eXp Realty. Thanks for checking out Della's Corner today. I'm so excited. I have this beautiful new listing here at On Top of the World. This is a Magnolia Model. Nice size, beautiful lot, all kinds of upgrades. This home is located in Longleaf Ridge 3. This is a maintenance-free neighborhood. Now, you do have a curbside garbage and curbside recycle, and they have like these little kiosks all along the street for your mail. This is a 2022 home, very new. You'll see the video, how it shows. It's very beautiful. It also looks like a model. I mean, people really take care of their homes here. I think you'll enjoy this house. Let's go take a look. I will run a banner at the end of the video showing you all the beautiful options these folks added prior to the build and after the build. I don't think you'll make a mistake in seeing the landscaping and ooh la la, the lot that this one is on. Complete privacy, guys. I think you're really gonna love it. Also, when these folks built this house, there was an option to add more bedrooms and bathrooms. So it is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. Anyone who knows me knows that my favorite place is being out on the lanai, especially now that we're gonna start heading towards the cooler months. We're just starting into September, so it's still a little humid, but I had to show you this beautiful lot while I'm sitting here. This is kind of like tranquility. You got some palm trees. You have a big dry retention area back here, so you don't have anybody on top of you. That is a huge plus if you don't like to have back-to-back lots. Currently, there are no Magnolias for sale. This is a rarity to actually find one of these. It was one of their newer models in the last several years, and it is spectacular. It's got the golf cart garage specifically for the golf cart. You have plenty of storage. If you have any questions about this listing or any homes for sale in any 55 plus community on top of the world, make sure you give me the call. Please make sure you press subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can see all my videos. Okay, that's a wrap here for me today at Della's Corner. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and I look forward to meeting y'all soon. Have a great day.